myself Bhumika Sharma, and this is my partner Kapil Sharma and Tanu Gupta. We make a project Wind Turbine. We belong to SSD Inter College, Ramnagar, Khair Road, Aligarh. Tanu Gupta is describe this project.
This is wind turbine. Wind turbine जब प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी देख एग्जाम्पल, इसे मोटर चल रही है, हम मोटर को पावर सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, ना कि हम लाइट ऑटोमेटिक ही चल रही है. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Khushi Gaur and my project partners are Kanishka Vashne and Rashmi. We have prepared this project solar panel mobile charger. We are belong to SSD school. This project is very useful for us when we go from other places and we found the place of charging like electricity board and power bank. This project is very useful for us because electricity is not available at any place, but sunlight is available at every place. That's why this project is very useful for us in emergencies. Thank you. Let's go for trial. Take trial of this project. So we can see that this project, that this mobile getting charged.
All of you. My name is Asu Agrawal and my partner name is Mannu and Chahat. My project is Smart Table Lamp.
This project help students and children to study in night. Some students are studying night, but his eyes was dim in night. This lamp is help to see him.
लेट्स ट्राई अगेन. इस पर लाइट डलेगी तो ये बंद रहेगी और इसको हम ऐसे करेंगे तो ये ऑन हो जाएगी. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Suraj and my partner names are David and Kuldeep. We belong to SSD Inter College. We prepared this project. This project name is gas leakage alarm, and this project aware against the LPG leakage and fire also. Now we can test it.
My name is Garima. My partners are Mohini and Deepika. We are belongs to SSG Inter College and we have prepared this earthquake alarm working model. It aware against the earthquake, and the most important advantage of this project is that it alert that the movement of earthquake is start, so you can immediately take cover and tend to all other pupils in your family members. So we have to do first precautions regarding safe to others. Now we show the project. वॉइस आ रही है. अर्थक्वेक आता है तो वाइब्रेशन होती है, वाइब्रेशन करके दिखा रहे हैं तो उससे ये अलार्म बज रहा है, तो इससे ये सिग्नल दे रहा है कि अर्थक्वेक आ रहा है और अलर्ट करता है ये सबको.
My name is Diya Vashne. My team partner name is Suhani Sharma, Pooja Pal. My in charge name is Mrs. Shraddha Agrawal ma'am. I am belong to SSD Inter College. My project name is Zebra Crossing Gate. Today I am explain some benefit of the zebra crossing gate are: first, reducing number of accident due to improvement their visibility, the ability to manage deeply urban traffic jams and pollution. They are adaptable different types of street and traffic situation. They can be remotely and dynamically managed. Thank you. So I would call Suhani Sharma to use the traffic zebra crossing gate.
So I will need to a laptop. So please, Pooja, please come to laptop. So इधर स्टॉप, इधर पीपल्स खड़े होंगे तो जब ये डाउन होगा तो इधर से पीपल क्रॉस करेंगे और इधर कार्स वगैरह स्टॉप होंगे और जब ये डाउन होगा तो कार्स वगैरह मतलब कार और बाकी सब निकलेंगे. तो अभी ये डाउन है तो इधर से पीपल निकल रहे हैं और अभी ये डाउन हो गया तो इधर से कार निकलेंगे.
And he is our leader, Mr. Vishal, and she is Vanshika. They both are my partners. We made automatic street light. First of all, I will explain you what the materials used in this project.
LEDs, as you see in that in this project, these are LEDs, and we use LDR sensor is the main part of this project. This detect the day and light differences. And now I will explain the advantages of a street light. It is highly sensitive and it is low cost and reliable circuits. It does not occur accidents and save electricity, and no people we need for this turn off and turn on. This is fully automatic system. Now we will explain this project, how can it work. As you seen, in nights the lights are on. It turn automatically off.
All of you, my name is Hemant Vasne. My partner name is Monica Vasne and Yasvi Thakur. I made a electric generator with CD and belong to SSG Inter College in Aligarh. तो ये वर्क करती है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी बनाती है। ये को मैं चला के दिखाऊंगा आपको। काइनेटिक एनर्जी जनरेट करती है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करती है, जैसे ये आपको दिख रहा है। That's it. Thank you.